In this video, we'll present to you the top 5 best tile mops on the market today. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget option or through the best to the best. We have chosen one for each category and we'll have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what many tile mops will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. Light and easy automatic tile steam floor mop. This product has a closed mop head design that may be suitable for deep cleaning. With the release of concentrated steam, you can cut through grease and grime that's accumulated on your tiles. A great feature of this steam mop is the intelligent steam control. You don't have to press any buttons or dials to activate the steam. The sensor will release water vapor according to the movement. It only takes 20 seconds to heat up and be ready to go. This steam mop can be used all over your home. It's safe for tiles, laminate, hardwood, stone and vinyl floors. There's a cord hook for storage. The ergonomic bendable handle is a standout feature. You don't have to bend down and maneuver, just bend the handle to the angle you want and hold it comfortably. The 360 swivel head helps cleaning crowded spaces too. You can steer in all directions and move around effortlessly. Turbo Microfiber washable tile mop. With the inclusion of dual-action microfiber pads, this mop can capture the dust on your tiles. They're 18 inches wide with absorbent wicking and gripping fibers. They're also reinforced for durability and they can be machine washed up to 100 times. The Velcro attachments make them simple to adhere and remove quickly. There are 4 included with this product, 2 of the microfiber pads and also 2 deep clean scrub pads for tough grime. We like that you can extend the handle on this product. It starts at 35 inches and it can stretch up to 60 inches. Just twist the pole and it should adjust the length. It's also made from durable and lightweight aluminum alloy. The 360-degree pivoting head might also make cleaning easier. You can scrub and buff in all angles, underneath furniture, and around other obstacles. It's not stiff or awkward to maneuver. The non-slip grip handle makes it easier too. OCEDAR Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. Are you a mom that still loves the traditional mop and bucket? You may be interested in this mop from OCEDAR. It's your trusty, classic design but with some modern conveniences to make cleaning your tiles a little easier. It has a spin function for removing excess water from your mop so it's not too wet for cleaning. Just use the spin foot pedal. This makes it hands-free. Spin mops tend to splash while they're ringing. So, the splash guard on the bucket may also help to keep you dry in the process. It keeps the water where it should be, in the bucket. We love the large noodle-type microfiber mop on this one. This may be used dry for buffing and shining tiles. Of course, you can also use it damp for more of a deep clean since it's absorbent. The triangular design might be good for hard-to-reach places too. Homet Electric Cordless Spin Mop. Don't enjoy cleaning? No problem with this energy-saving spin mop. It has a unique spinning system, with dual rotating mop heads for effortless scrubbing. They spin up to 120 rotations per minute. That's powerful cleaning and polishing with minimal effort. What's great is that this mop is also cordless. You're not space restricted with a power cord while you're cleaning your home. You just have to charge the mop for around 3.5 to 4 hours, and this can give you 40 to 50 minutes of cleaning time. When the mop is low on power, you'll know. The indicator light will flash red for 30 seconds. When it's fully charged, this indicator should be green. The spray function is ideal for deep cleaning. A measuring cup is included, and it's recommended to only use water, moderate detergents, and essential oils. This means no concentrated detergents or boiling water. Shark Sanitizing Steam Mop. With this mop, you can use the natural power of steam to sanitize your out-in tiles. The water vapor may help to kill bacteria and germs lurking in your home. There's no need to use any chemicals or cleaning solutions, just use water. With the quick startup, you won't have to wait long to get started. Simply plug it into a power outlet and wait around 30 seconds. The 18-foot cord gives you enough space to work with as you're cleaning. It's easy peasy to store this steam mop. It has a slim design and isn't bulky, meaning it can sit in the laundry room. It can also stand upright on its own, and there is a cord hook. Filling up this product with water is trouble-free. It has a large 12.6 fluid ounce removable water tank that you can hold under the faucet comfortably. With the large capacity, you can clean a lot of your home before refilling.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.